Cucumbers' health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts. Cucumbers, a refreshing and hydrating vegetable, are a staple in diets worldwide. Botanically classified as fruit but commonly used as vegetables, cucumbers are part of the Cucurbitaceae family. They are known for their crisp texture, mild flavor, and high water content, making them a favorite in salads, snacks, and beverages. Beyond their culinary versatility, cucumbers are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Health benefits of cucumbers 1. Hydration support cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, helping to keep the body hydrated and maintain fluid balance, especially in hot climates. 2. Rich in antioxidants, cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta carotene, flavonoids, and tannins, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 3. Promotes healthy skin rich in silica and vitamins. Cucumbers help improve skin elasticity, reduce puffiness, and soothe irritation when consumed or applied topically. 4. Supports weight management, low in calories and high in water and fiber. Cucumbers are an excellent addition to weight loss diets, promoting satiety without adding extra calories. 5. Aids digestion. The fiber content in cucumbers, but particularly in the peel, helps regulate bowel movements and supports a healthy gut. 6. Lowers blood sugar. Preliminary studies suggest cucumbers may help reduce blood sugar levels and manage diabetes when included in a balanced diet. 7. Heart health. The potassium in cucumbers helps regulate blood pressure, while their antioxidants support overall cardiovascular health. 8. Improves bone health. Cucumbers contain vitamin K, which is crucial for calcium absorption and maintaining strong bones. Uses of cucumbers are 1. Culinary applications are add fresh slices to salads and sandwiches for a crisp texture. Blend into smoothies or cold soups like gas cocoa for added hydration. Pickle cucumbers to enjoy as a tangy condiment. 2. Natural beauty remedies are use cucumber slices to reduce puffiness around the eyes. Apply cucumber juice or blended pulp to the skin for a cooling, rejuvenating effect. 3. Beverages infuse water with cucumber slices for a refreshing and detoxifying drink. Add cucumbers to cocktails or mocktails for flavor and hydration. 4. Home remedies. Cucumbers can soothe sunburns and skin irritation when applied topically. Side effects of cucumbers. While cucumbers are safe and nutritious, excessive consumption or certain conditions may cause side effects to 1. Digestive issues. High intake of cucumbers may lead to bloating or gas due to their water and fiber content. 2. Allergic reactions. Rarely, cucumbers can trigger allergies in individuals sensitive to related plants like melons or ragweed. 3. Diuretic effect. Consuming large amounts of cucumbers might increase urination due to their high water content. 4. Potential for contaminants. Conventionally grown cucumbers may contain pesticide residues. Opt for organic or thoroughly washed before consumption. Nutritional facts of cucumbers. Below is the approximate nutritional value for 1 cup per 104 grams of sliced raw cucumber with peel. Calories 16, 8 protein 0.8 grams, 8 fat 0.1 grams, carbohydrates 3.8 grams, fiber 0.5 grams, vitamin C 4% of the daily value, vitamin K 19% of potassium 193 mg, 5 of the DV, magnesium 4% of the DV, folate 2% of the DV. Cucumbers also contain small amounts of other vitamins and minerals, making them a low calorie yet nutrient dense food. Conclusion. Cucumbers are a refreshing, hydrating, and nutritious food that offers various health benefits from promoting skin health and aiding digestion to supporting heart and bone health. Their versatility makes them a valuable ingredient in both culinary dishes and natural remedies. While generally safe, moderation is key, especially for those prone to allergies or digestive sensitivities. Including cucumbers in your diet is a simple and delicious way to enhance overall health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.